Have you ever walked into a room and wanted to scream?
Leo, what is that smell? Did something die in here?
Hey, Mia. Watch your step. I'm in the middle of a game.
Oh, look at this place. It looks like a bomb exploded. It is a total pigsty.
A pigsty? No, pigs live outside. This is my man cave.
It's disgusting. Look at those dishes. They have mold growing on them.
That's not mold. That is a science experiment. I call it the fuzzy plate.
Enough. I cannot work in this mess. Clean it up or I am leaving.
Okay, don't be so dramatic. I'll do it tomorrow.
Living together is hard. Today, let's learn how to complain about the mess without starting a war.
Do you live with someone messy? A roommate? A husband? Or maybe, are you the messy one? Welcome to episode 195 of Grow English Mastery. Cleaning the house is boring, but arguing about cleaning is even worse. Today, we will learn the English of chores and complaints. We will learn 3 essential skills. Skill 1, how to describe a mess. It's a pigsty. Skill 2, how to divide the work. Pull your weight. Skill 3, how to talk about annoyances. Pet peeves. Are you ready to clean up your English? Let's visit Leo's man cave.
Leo, we need to talk. I can't find the remote control under all these clothes.
Under my gym socks.
Ugh, seriously? Leo, stop being such a slob.
A slob? Hey, that hurts my feelings. I'm just relaxed.
Relaxed? You leave a trail of destruction everywhere you go.
Oh. Trail of destruction? I'm not a tornado, Mia.
You need to clean up your act. Literally.
Clean up my act? Does that mean I have to do laundry?
Yes, and pick up your socks. Now.
Calling someone a slob is strong. Let's see what it means.
Part 2. Concept 1. The pigsty. Wow. Did you see that room? Mia used a very strong word. A pigsty. A sty is where pigs live. If you call someone's room a pigsty, you are saying it is dirty and disgusting. Clean your room. It's a pigsty in here. She also called Leo a slob. A slob is a person who is lazy and untidy. This is an insult, so be careful. Don't be a slob. Pick up your clothes. And finally, the idiom. Clean up your act. Literally, this means to clean. But figuratively, it means improve your behavior. You are always late. You need to clean up your act. Now, how do we get Leo to actually do some work?
Leo, the sink is full again. We have no clean spoons.
Just use a fork. It works for soup if you eat fast.
No, it is your turn to do the dishes. I cooked, so you clean. That is the rule.
But I took out the trash last week. I hate doing dishes. The water is wet.
Stop making excuses. You need to pull your weight around here.
Pull my weight. I'm not heavy.
It means you need to do your fair share of the work. I am not your maid.
Oh. Right, fair share.
Okay.
I will wash them, but you have to dry them. Deal?
Pull your weight is a great nanny Reiki base.
Pull your weight is a great idiom for teamwork.
Part 3. Concept 2. Fairness. Chores are never fun, but they must be fair. Mia told Leo to pull his weight. Imagine a team pulling a heavy rope. If one person doesn't pull, the team fails. Pull your weight means do your fair share of the work. I cook, you clean. We both pull our weight. Leo tried to make excuses, but he finally agreed to do the dishes. Vocabulary note: do the dishes is more common than wash the dishes, and take out the trash means to carry the garbage bag outside. But what if the room is clean, but the person is still annoying?
Finally. The room is spick and span.
Yeah, it looks great.
Leo, could you please chew with your mouth closed?
Why? Does the sound bother you?
Yes. It is my biggest pet peeve. It drives me up the wall. Pet peeve?
Pet peeve? Is that like a pet dog?
No. A pet peeve is a small thing that annoys you very much, like loud chewing. And drive you up the wall means it makes you crazy?
Exactly. So please close your mouth for my sanity.
We all have pet peeves, but we must be polite.
Part 4. Concept 3. Pet peeves. The room was clean. It was spick and span. This is a fun idiom meaning perfectly clean and shiny. After 3 hours of cleaning, the kitchen is spick and span. But Leo was chewing loudly. Mia said it was her pet peeve. A pet peeve is a specific little thing that annoys you personally. Maybe people walking slowly or tapping a pen. That is a pet peeve. My biggest pet peeve is people who are late. She said it drives her up the wall. Imagine you are so angry you climb the wall like a spider. It means, it makes me crazy, annoyed. Stop making that noise. It's driving me up the wall. So, how do we complain politely? Part 5. Vocabulary focus. Welcome to the vocabulary focus. Here are 3 advanced words for household discussions. Word 1. Clutter. A lot of objects in a messy state. Not dirty, just messy. I need to clear the clutter off my desk. Word 2. Procrastinate. To delay doing something until later because you don't want to do it. Stop procrastinating and do the laundry. Word 3. Chore. A routine task, especially a household one. My least favorite chore is ironing. Use these words to sound precise, not just angry. Part 6. Conversation Mini Tip. Here is a quick conversation mini tip to save your relationships. When you want to complain, don't use you, use I. Instead of saying, "You are messy, you never clean." This sounds like an attack. Say, "I feel stressed when the house is messy." Or, "I would appreciate help with the dishes." This is called an I statement. It is softer and more polite. Try it. "I love a clean kitchen." Not, "You are a slob." Part 7. Shadowing Practice. Now, let's train your voice. Repeat after me with emotion. Phrase 1. The mess. This place is a total pigsty. This place is a total pigsty. Phrase 2. The annoyance. It drives me up the wall. It drives me up the wall. Phrase 3. The teamwork. You need to pull your weight. You need to pull your weight. Great job. Your English is now spick and span. Part 8. The big review. Key takeaways. Before we finish, let's lock these phrases into your long-term memory. Here is your messy house survival kit. Takeaway number 1. The description. Don't just say the room is dirty. That is boring. Use the metaphor. It is a pigsty. This paints a picture of chaos. Takeaway number 2. The negotiation. When your roommate is lazy, don't just complain. Remind them of fairness. Tell them to pull their weight. Use the image of the heavy rope. Takeaway number 3. The emotion. When a small habit annoys you, like chewing or tapping, name it. Call it a pet peeve. And express your frustration by saying, "It drives me up the wall." If you use these 3 idioms, you will sound like a native speaker, not a textbook. Part 9. Conclusion and CTA. Living with other people is an art. It requires patience and good communication. Using I statements and polite idioms will save your relationships. Now, I want to hear from you. We talked about pet peeves. What is the one household chore you hate the most? Is it washing dishes, folding laundry, or taking out the trash? Let me know in the comments. I hate. If you are committed to speaking advanced English, show your energy by smashing that like button. Be a hero for a friend by sharing this video with someone who is messy. And to lock in your commitment to this challenge, subscribe and smash that notification bell. I'm Scarlett. Keep your English clean and tidy. See you next time.